Gonna make an easy dessert. I have 2 cans of cherry pie filling. Each can is 21 ounces. Fairly good sized can. And yeah, there's a difference here because I'm using 2 different brands. And then in this bowl, I just emptied a cake mix. Here is 1 stick of butter, 4 ounces. And we'll mix this up and just sprinkle it over your pie filling. Just like that. This is a 9 by 13 pan, 9 inches by 13 inches. I did spray it with some cooking spray, and now this goes into my 350-degree oven. Here it is. It baked for 30 minutes, 33 minutes. It's wonderful. Cold, warm. It's very nice, especially with ice cream and cold ice cream and warm cherries. It's so good. The topping is crunchy, sweet, just exactly everything you would want. And thank you so much for watching.